So this is the whole video of Auntie's third backfill. And before you guys come at me all crazy like why I come in with the clear powder and not with the same acrylic powder, is because that's what Auntie wanted. We want to go in with the clear powder so that we can monitor under her nails as they grow out. And you know one thing about Auntie is that I got to know her very well. We become not just clients, but also friends. This lady has been through a lot, y'all. And having her as a client is pretty awesome because if I needed to cancel, she won't say anything. If I needed help with my kids, she'll understand. She's one of them clients where you know you will never have anyone complaining about you. She just do what you wish. But if I tell y'all that, y'all gonna say, well, how come you don't tell her to go see a doctor and check on her nails? Well, maybe I have, but that's also her choice. But as far as I know, when she comes to me, I'm gonna do my goodwill to treat her good, educate her, and try to clean her up. That's all I can do as a nail tech. How her nail is, she understand already, y'all. It's not like she doesn't know. She knows. Y'all just have to let it be because everybody's at their own pace. Not everybody's like you. You can't speak for everybody. But what I know is I'm so happy to have Auntie as my client, as my friend. Because you know what? We share some deep story. We share some good life. And honestly, I lift her up, y'all. Every time I see her, I make her laugh. I bring joy to her life. 3 hours, y'all. And I charge her only $60. Any design, any length, whatever she wants. So I'm not doing for the money. I'm just doing for the honey. Because you know what? Everybody needs some kind of love out there. And as a nail tech myself, I'm proud to say I can bring that kind of love. I can bring that kind of joy to somebody's life through a set of nails. I'm all good in the neighborhood, y'all. Nobody can beat that. God bless.